My friends, there comes a moment in every life when silence becomes heavier than chains. A moment when giving up feels easier than standing tall. A moment when the world whispers, "You are too small to matter." But listen to me carefully today. You were not created to be small. You were not born to live in fear. You were not designed to bow to doubt. History has never been changed by those who waited for permission. History was shaped by ordinary souls who carried extraordinary belief inside them. There were nights when they cried. There were days when they almost quit. There were moments when the burden felt unbearable, yet they stood. They spoke, they moved forward, even when their hands were trembling. Your struggle does not mean you fail. Your pain does not mean you are weak. Your delay does not mean you are denied. It means you are being prepared. Prepared for strength you do not yet recognize. Prepared for a purpose you do not yet see. Prepared for a future that demands courage. Do not measure your life by the speed of your progress. Measure it by the depth of your perseverance. Because the darkest night does not announce defeat, it announces that dawn is being formed. And even if no one applauds you right now, even if no one believes in your vision, even if you walk alone, walk anyway. Because every great movement began with one voice that refused to be silent. To say to you today, do not surrender your dream to the comfort of excuses. Do not trade your destiny for temporary relief. Do not allow fear to write the story of your life. You are standing on the edge of something powerful, something unseen, something waiting for your courage to awaken. The world does not need another follower of doubt. The world needs your voice, your resilience, your persistence. Your beliefs speak even when your voice shakes. Stand even when your legs grow tired. Move even when the road feels endless. Because progress is not born from ease. Progress is born from persistence. There will come a day, mark my words, when your pain will make sense. When your struggle will become your strength. When your patience will become your power. And the same world that ignored you will listen. The same voices that doubted you will respect you. The same fear that once controlled you will bow before your discipline. So rise each morning with faith. Work each day with purpose. Sleep each night with hope. And never forget this truth. You're not walking toward greatness. Greatness is already walking within you. The future is listening. History is watching. And your voice may be the one that changes everything.